Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing the Libra inspired makeup tutorial, and I'm actually super impressed with myself for actually getting this out at a fairly decent time in Libra season, because I'm usually pretty late in the season for getting these out. But yeah, this is my Libra makeup. To me, Libra like screams two different things. They scream analytical and they scream party. Like, to me, they're all about balance, where they're extremely hard workers, but they're extremely hard partiers too. They're usually like the lawyer who parties every weekend is how I would describe a Libra. Libra is actually usually the sign that I tend to get along with the least. I don't know why that is, it's just how it is. I don't have anything against Libras, it's just usually not like the best mixture for me, because they are very like go 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 go, in the sense of I've got work to do, I'm gonna get it done and no distractions, or in the sense of I have nothing to do, let's have a lot of fun all at once. They're like the frat boy of the zodiac, if you will. Like, they've got a lot to do, they're gonna get it done, but they're gonna have a good time doing it. So they're also very balanced and very big proponents for justice, which I really respect in a Libra. They're very fair, very like, this is how it is, very black and white. Like, there's no well, it's okay this time but not next time. No, it's this is wrong or this is right, that's how it is. And I have very much respect for Libras in that sense. But I forgot what I was saying. To me, they're like very balanced in the sense of I'm going to party, but I'm going to have fun, but I'm going to work, and I'm going to work hard. So that's kind of how I wanted to like mimic my makeup. To me, they'd be like very balanced on the top, very like simple eye look, still a little fun though with the wing liner, but then like a bright lip, like a bright pop of color. They're also very sharp, very smart. That's why I tried to do like a very cut jawline, not jawline, that's not my jaw, a very cut contour, but I'm clearly not very good at it, but you know. And I tried to make my wings as even as possible to represent the like balance, but yeah, that's how I got my Libra idea. Let me know down below if you guys agree with this look and what you would have done differently, or if you think I did capture the essence of Libra, I guess. And if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. But before you continue on, don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more zodiac videos, and leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And yeah, just keep on watching. Bye guys.